fellow lock picking enthusiasts. This is LockLover from the subreddit Lock Picking. Today we're going to be attacking the Master Lock 410 lockout tagout. I have attacked this lock once for the green belt, and I don't think anybody else got to see that video. I think I just sent it in for the mods. I had quite the time with it. Had a 6-year-old down here bugging me, which we all have our excuses, and that's the one I'm going to stick to. I apologize for the furnace running in the background. My little lock lab is here in the basement, so you guys will have to bear with me. And I'll always like to have a little bit of fun going on in the background on the computer monitor as the other hobby of mine. So before we get started on this lock here, we're going to try our lock. See what happens here. That. Okay, so that's not a very good morale booster right there. Okay, top of the keyway tension. This is a little sloppy, but that's all I have. And we're going to be starting out with this small hook here. See what we can come up with. These picks are a little thick, but I have done it with thicker. These are 25 thousandths. I originally picked this was 28 or 29 thousandths. But like I said, we all have our excuses. Kind of having to get these at an angle. I really think here in the back, keep hearing that clicking. I'm just popping off of the warding. Let me go for, let's see, deforced diamond here. Actually, I don't even think that's a diamond. I think that's part of SS Dev. Get here in the back. Okay, that's definitely got something overset right off the get-go. Spring. Shit. Well, excuses back. Try something a little different. Alright, we got a false set. Let's look for our spool. I think we got the spool right here. That, or I'm hitting warding. Let's say it's the spool. Alright, we've lost our false set. We've regained our false set. So now we need to get into the back and see what we got here. Right there, we're losing our false, and we're open. Alright, so not too bad. Had a little fumble there. Obviously, as you guys know, or you may or may not know, you can't disassemble this lock. But being that we got that far, we will see what we got. And that'll be all for this video. I know it's a little corny there for the background, but like I said, that's something I like to do, and obviously can't do the two hobbies at once. I do like this lock. It's a great little trainer, and if you do much reading, make sure you do not turn this past the little stops where you will get the rattles, little holes in the cylinder allow the pins to drop through. So make sure you turn it back before you lose it. Let's see here. Show you guys the key. There's the bitting. I don't know if it's going to focus for you or not. If it doesn't, I'll try and show a picture. Nothing great. Do have one that's probably zero bitted there. Number 2 is probably zero bitted. That may have been giving me some trouble over setting number 2. But that's pretty much it for the Master 410 lockout tagout. We do have a fella that's recently started picking on the lock picking forum there, and I've gotten him a black one. I don't know if you would mind if I got it out and picked it for you guys on camera. I doubt it, but we can always try. Well, I think we're just going to leave that for another time. Okay, this will be video 1. Sorry, a little nervous. New to it. Looking forward to maybe creating some challenge locks and mailing them back and forth, creating some lock pin pals, and just basically learning from each other. Basically what it's all about. So have a good one.